Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton. I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library, and our theme for today's story time is gardens. So, to begin, I'm going to tell you a rhyme called This Is My Garden. This is my garden. I'll rake it with care, and then some flower seeds I'll plant there. The sun will shine, and the rain will fall, and then my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall. Now, our book for today is If You Hold a Seed, written and illustrated by Ellie McKay, published by RP Kids, copyright 2013. If you hold a seed and make a wish and plant it in the ground, something magical can happen. And if there is some sun and some rain, it will begin to sprout. And if you wait and wait, you will see some little buds and tender leaves. When summer comes, there might be a bee, or perhaps a butterfly, and they will spread some magic. But when autumn comes, all its leaves will fall. Then you will have to wait through all the winter days until spring. The tree will grow with buds of gold and green. Birds will come to perch, perhaps to sing. The tree will soak in the summer sun and rain. Then, when autumn comes again, it will lean into the wind. And if you wait and wait, season by season, year by year, that tree will grow so large it will hold you. And if you wait some more, one day your wish will come true. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with the garden theme of this story time is torn paper flowers, the instructions for which can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, and stay healthy!